Hello, my dear students. Welcome to Imavate Academy. This is lecture number 4 for the chapter Matrices from Mathematics of class 10th ICSE. We have already done 3 lectures previous to this, which are uploaded in a proper sequence in my channel under the playlist section. You will find that there is a playlist named Matrices, where you will find all the previous lectures. You must watch the previous lectures before attending with this lecture. This is lecture number 4. So here today I will be continuing with some very important questions on matrices. Matrices chapter को हम बड़े interesting way में कर रहे हैं और बहुत सारी चीजें हमने already discuss कर लिया है in the previous 3 lectures, and I hope you all have watched those previous 3 lectures and only then you are proceeding with this one. So let us start with the first question for today. And all of the questions that I have selected for you today are very important, and they will help you to understand the concept, whatever we have taught, whatever we have studied so far, those concepts more nicely. So let us start with the question. Write down the question and solve along with me. Given this matrix x, y plus 2, 3, z minus 1 is equal to 3, 1, 3, 2. Find x, y, and z. काफी interesting question है, easy भी है. You see, they have told us that this matrix is equal to the another matrix. So what have we studied in the very previous class, very previous lecture, that when two matrices are equal, the corresponding elements are equal, means x is equal to this 3. So we have got the value of x. Y plus 2 is equal to this 1. So y is basically minus 1. So highlight the answers. Then this 3 is equal to this 3, obviously, no doubt. And this z minus 1 is equal to this 2. So z minus 1 is equal to this 2. Hence, z is equal to 2 plus 1, which is 3. हो गया, यही है हमारे answers. Next question. Solve for A, B, and C if minus 4, 3, A plus 5, 2 is equal to B plus 4, 2, 3, and C minus 1. So if you see, this is very similar to the one which we have done just now. Two matrices given are equal because there is an equal to sign in between them. So how we can find out? We will compare the corresponding elements. So this B plus 4 is equal to this minus 4. So let us write the equation. B plus 4 is equal to minus 4. Hence, B is equal to this minus 4 minus 4. So minus 8. B is minus 8. Then comes this, we will compare with this A plus 5 is equal to this 2. So A plus 5 equal to 2. So A is equal to 2 minus 5. A is equal to minus 3. और इस C को भी निकाल लेते हैं. This 2 and this C minus 1 are equal. Hence, C minus 1 is equal to this 2. So C is equal to 2 plus 1, which is 3. आ गया C का value. Very similar. ठीक है, आगे बढ़ते हैं. Next question. And if you feel that you need to pause the video and you need to copy down the solution, you can do it, obviously. Next question. If A is equal to 2, 5, you see, I have written a column matrix. This is a column matrix. मैंने बता दिया है column matrix क्या होता है. पिछले lectures अगर ध्यान से देखे हो तो जानते हो, column matrix is that matrix which is just one column. So A is a column matrix. Then there is B, which is also a column matrix, 1, 4. And C, which is 6 minus 2. Find number 1, B plus C, number 2, A minus C, number 3, A plus B minus C, number 4, हमें क्या निकालना है? A minus B plus C. See, 4 things we have to find out. Let us start solving. So if B plus C karna hai. Now, in the very previous lecture where I have taught you how do we add two arrays, I have told you that array addition is only possible if both of the arrays have the same order. So if I have to add B and C, then I have to first check whether array B and array C have the same order or not. Yes, of course they have the same order. Array B has the order 2 cross 1. C also has the order 2 cross 1. If you don't know what do we mean by order, then this means that you haven't watched the previous lectures. And so you should not continue further. Only watch the lecture I have told you at the beginning. If you have watched the previous lecture, then you continue with this. And now, children, let me in the middle, I want to request all of you, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, then subscribe to it. And also press the bell icon next to it so that you don't miss out any lecture. The moment I post a lecture, the moment I post a video, the notification comes to your phone so that you don't miss a lecture. So that is only possible if you have not only subscribed to the channel, but also pressed the bell icon and turned on all the notifications. The another thing is that to support my effort, to support my, teaching, whatever you say, please press the like button. So that would, motivate me. Anyway, let us continue. B plus C. We have to add B plus C. So B plus C is equal to B ko likho. B is 1, 4 plus C. C ko likho 6 minus 2. अब ऐड कैसे करते हैं? करस्पॉन्डिंग एलिमेंट्स को ऐड करते हैं. 1 plus 6 लिखना चाहिए हमें. डायरेक्ट 7 मत लिखो, पूरा लिखो. 1 plus 6 and this 4 plus minus 2. 4 plus minus 2. That means 1 plus 6 is 7 and 4 minus 2 is 2. This is the answer. Second wala. A minus C. A is 2, 5. And minus C is 6 minus 2. How do we subtract it? So 2 minus 6. And see how I'm doing it. 2 minus 6. Likhenge. Directly don't write the value of 2 minus 6, which is minus 4. Directly mat likho. Likho 2 minus 6. And then 5 minus minus 2. 5 minus 2 nahi. 5 minus 2 galat ho jayega. 5 minus minus 2. See how I'm moving. Look at the pointer. This is 5 minus minus 2. Okay. So 5 minus minus 2, which will become 5 plus 2, obviously. So 2 minus 6 is minus 4 and 5 minus minus 2 is 5 plus 2, which is 7. This is the answer for the second one. Third wala karte hain. Third is A plus B minus C, which means A ko likho 2, 5 plus B, right? B is 1, 4 minus C. C ko likho 6 minus 2. तो हमने लिख लिया A plus B minus C. अब कैसे लिखेंगे? 2, look at the screen. 2 plus 1 minus 6. इस तरह से 2 plus 1 minus 6. 2 plus 1 minus 6. और नीचे में क्या लिखेंगे? 5 plus 4 minus minus 2. 5 plus 4 minus minus 2. 5 plus 4 minus of minus 2. So 2 plus 1 minus 6. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 minus 6 is minus 3. So the answer over here is minus 3. 5 plus 4 is 9. And 9 and plus, ये plus हो जाएगा, minus minus becomes plus. So this is 9 plus 2. So that is 11. So minus 3 and 11. This is the answer for the third one. And now the fourth one can be done in a very similar way. मैं next page में fourth वाले को करता हूँ. Fourth wala is A minus B plus C. So our A is 2, 5 minus B. B हमारा क्या था? 1, 4 and plus C. C is 6 minus 2. So how do we write it? 2 minus 1 plus 6. See, 2 minus 1 plus 6. I hope you people are getting it. And now this, whatever I'm teaching is not difficult at all. 5 minus 4 plus minus 2. Yeah. 5 minus 4 plus minus 2. So 2 minus 1 is 1 and 1 plus 6 is 7. 5 minus 4 is 1, and 1 plus minus 2 means 1 minus 2 is minus 1. So this is 7 and minus 1. This is the fourth one. Kitna simple hai. Next question. Next question. Find x and y from the following equation. Find x and y from the following equation. क्या है पहला question? This is part 1. This has 2 parts. Okay. The first question is, we have a matrix 5, 2, minus 1, and y minus 1. We have then minus another matrix 1, x minus 1, 2, and minus 3 is equal to 4, 7, minus 3, and 2. So here we have a matrix equation. How do we solve it? And we have to get the values of x and y. You see how easy it is. So सबसे पहले हम इन दोनों मैट्रिक्स को सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं और क्या हमें मिलता है वो लिखते हैं. देखो 5 minus 1, 5 minus 1, then 2 minus x minus 1, 2 minus x minus 1, isn't it? नीचे क्या होगा? minus 1 minus 2, minus 1 minus 2. यहाँ पे y minus 1 minus minus 3, y minus 1 minus of minus 3. तो डायरेक्ट मैं प्लस 3 लिख सकता हूँ क्योंकि माइनस माइनस 3 तो प्लस हो जाएगा, 2 बार है माइनस माइनस प्लस बन जाएगा. सो आई एम डायरेक्टली राइटिंग y minus 1 plus 3. Be careful of putting a bracket in this x minus 1 because before the bracket there is a minus sign. So when you open the bracket, the sign inside the bracket will change. This minus would become plus when you open the bracket. Don't make the mistake of directly writing this 2 minus x minus 1 को ऐसे मत लिखना, 2 minus x minus 1 गलत हो जाएगा. ब्रैकेट में लिखना पहले जरूरी है because when you open the brackets the sign will change. यहाँ पे भी ब्रैकेट दे सकते थे y minus 1 and then minus of minus 3 को plus 3, लेकिन ब्रैकेट खोलने के बाद भी हमें y minus 1 plus 3 ही मिलेगा. So it does not matter, hence directly I have written without a bracket. अगर तुम अनश्योर हो कि ब्रैकेट में तुम्हें प्रॉब्लम होता है, मिस्टेक होता है कि कहां ब्रैकेट खुलेगा तो कैसे चेंज होगा, आई वुड सजेस्ट यू दैट यू पुट द ब्रैकेट ऑल द टाइम and then in the next step you remove the bracket. If the sign has to change it will change. तो ऐसे यहां पे ब्रैकेट हमने लिख दिया. ठीक है. Is equal to 4 7 minus 3 2 ऑलरेडी है. नेक्स्ट आगे के स्टेप में क्या हो जाएगा बच्चे? 5 minus 1 is 4. अब 2 minus x plus 1 हो जाएगा because this minus minus will become plus. Minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3 and here y plus 2 है ना. minus 1 plus 3 is plus 2. और इस स्टेप को आगे हम सिंप्लीफाई कर लेंगे. इफ यू कैन सिंप्लीफाई इट हियर इटसेल्फ, यू नो दैट 2 plus 1 is 3. सो इसको डायरेक्टली हम लिख सकते हैं 2 plus 1 3 हो गया. सो 3 minus x लिख सकते हैं. मैं इधर कर दूं डायरेक्ट 3 minus x. सो 3 minus x. आई होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड हाउ दिस इज 3 minus x. ठीक है. is equal to 4 7 minus 3 2. Now two matrices have come equal. What does it mean? That each corresponding elements are equal. 4 is equal to 4, minus 3 is equal to minus 3, 3 minus x is equal to 7. So लिखो 3 minus x is equal to 7. Hence minus x is equal to 7 minus 3. Hence minus x is equal to 4 and x is equal to 4. तो x का वैल्यू आ गया 4. X is 4 without a doubt. X is 4. And how do we solve this? X is minus 4 because ये minus उधर चला जाएगा. X is minus 4. So x आ गया हमारा minus 4, right? And now y plus 2 is 2. Y plus 2 is 2. So y is 2 minus 2, which is 0. तो हमें फाइनली आ गया that x is minus 4 and y is 0. यही है आंसर. See how simple it is. So ये first part था. Now second part of the same question. A matrix is given minus 8x, and if you see, this is a row matrix because only one row is there, plus y minus 2. This is again a row matrix, and which is equal to minus 3, 2. So if you see, we have got two matrices added and a result given. That matrix addition has been possible only because the order of these two matrices are same. इसका order क्या है? 1 into 2, and इसका भी order 1 into 2 है. One row and two columns are there in both of them. Now, let us add them as we have done in the previous question. Minus 8 plus y. Minus 8 plus y. And here x plus minus 2. X plus minus 2. This is equal to minus 3, 2. If you simplify further, minus 8 plus y, और ये बन जाएगा x minus 2. Plus minus is minus, so x minus 2. Now you see two matrices, this one and this one are equal. So we can equate the corresponding elements. Hence, minus 8 plus y is equal to minus 3. This is equal to this. So y is equal to minus 3 plus 8. This minus 8 goes and it becomes plus 8. So hence it is 5. We have got the value of y. Now x का निकालते हैं. So x minus 2 is equal to 2. And x is equal to 2 plus 2, which is 4. So we have got the values of x, which is 4, and y, which is 5. इस पार्ट का भी बन गया. बहुत सिंपल है, कुछ है इसमें, वेरी इजी क्वेश्चन. द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन फॉर टुडे. मजा आ रहा होगा. इस तरह से बनाओगे मैट्रिक्स चैप्टर, इतना इंटरेस्टिंग है और इतना इजीली कंप्लीट हो जाएगा. और बोर्ड्स में जब क्वेश्चंस मिलेगा तुम एकदम बिना कोई प्रॉब्लम के बड़े कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ बना पाओगे. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. गिवन m is equal to 5 minus 3 minus 2 4. Find its transpose matrix mt, and if possible, find number 1 m plus m transpose, and number 2 mt minus m. Let us solve the first question. M plus m transpose. I have taught you in the previous lectures how do we find the transpose of any matrix. So rows becomes columns and columns becomes rows. So यहाँ पे जो हमारा m है, पहले मैं m को लिखता हूँ 5 minus 2 minus 3 and then minus 2 4. This is m. I'm adding to it m transpose. M transpose कैसे लिखेंगे? देखो कितना इंटरेस्टिंग है. The first row, which is 5 minus 3, becomes the first column 5 minus 3. मैंने 5 minus 3 को ही यहाँ लिखा है 5 minus 3, लेकिन वो रो था, फर्स्ट रो था, अभी फर्स्ट कॉलम बन गया. And then this minus 2 4, which is the second row, will become the second column minus 2 4. अब हमें इसको ऐड करना है. मैट्रिक्स एडिशन इज पॉसिबल, yes, because both of them are 2 cross 2 matrices. ठीक है. So let us add them. 5 plus 5, this 5 plus 5, minus 3 plus minus 2, minus 2 plus minus 3, 4 plus 4. So 5 plus 5 is 10. Minus 3 minus 2 is minus 5. Minus 2 minus 3 is minus 5. 4 plus 4 is 8. And this is m plus m transpose. And the second part is m transpose minus m. तो अभी हम क्या करेंगे? m transpose को पहले लिखेंगे. This is our m transpose. M transpose is 5 minus 2 minus 3 4, and then minus m. M is 5 minus 3 minus 2 4. Very simple. How do we subtract it? 5 minus 5 minus 2 minus minus 3. See, minus 2 minus minus 3. Be very careful with the signs. So minus 2 minus of minus 3, minus 3 minus minus 2. This minus 3 minus minus 2. I hope you are getting and not making any errors. 4 minus 4. 5 minus 5 will give you 0. Minus 2 plus 3. This minus 3 is plus 3. So minus 2 plus 3 gives 1. Minus 2 plus 3 gives 1. So this is basically 1. This second one, this one, minus 3 plus 2. Minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1. And 4 minus 4 is 0. So this is our m transpose minus m. अच्छा, अब जो नेक्स्ट टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन है जो मैं नेक्स्ट क्लास में बताऊंगा उसके बारे में मैं थोड़ा इंट्रोडक्शन दे देता हूं। नेक्स्ट टाइप का जो क्वेश्चन जो अगला लेक्चर में हम स्टार्ट करेंगे वो डिफरेंट टाइप का क्वेश्चन है। अभी तक जितने भी हमने मैट्रिक्स इक्वेशंस किए हैं, यू सी दीज आर मैट्रिक्स इक्वेशंस ओनली ना। ये वाला एक्चुअली बेसिकली एक टाइप ऑफ m प्लस एम टी, एक दो मैट्रिसेस को ऐड करना था, या फिर ये मैट्रिक्स इक्वेशंस के क्वेश्चन है। ये वाला भी मैट्रिक्स इक्वेशन का क्वेश्चन है। तो एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन हमने किया और मैट्रिक्स एडिशन रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस भी हमने किया एंड मैट्रिक्स सब्ट्रैक्शन रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन भी किया। नाउ इफ यू सी इक्वेशन वाला जो क्वेश्चन था उसमें हमने एलिमेंट ऑफ अ मैट्रिक्स को निकाला है। ये इक्वेशन दिया हुआ था एंड इक्वेशन में किसी भी एक मैट्रिक्स के एक पर्टिकुलर एलिमेंट को हमने निकाला, पर्टिकुलर एलिमेंट को निकाला, या किसी भी दो एलिमेंट्स को भी निकाला जा सकता है, जैसे इस क्वेश्चन में आज हमने किया। इफ यू सी, ये भी एक मैट्रिक्स इक्वेशन था, इसमें हमने 3 एलिमेंट्स निकाला। एक तो ये x को निकाला, फिर हमने इस y को निकाला तो y माइनस y प्लस 2 भी निकल गया, एंड देन हमने थर्ड एलिमेंट को भी निकाला, z निकाला, फिर z माइनस 1 भी हमें पता चल जाएगा। सो हमने इंडिविजुअल एलिमेंट्स ऑफ एन इक्वेशन ऑफ अ मैट्रिक्स निकाला है। तो मैट्रिक्स इक्वेशन दिया हुआ था, हमने बेसिकली आज जो इक्वेशन बेस्ड क्वेश्चन किया उसमें क्या किया, इक्वेशन बेस्ड क्वेश्चन में दो तरह का क्वेश्चन आता है कि एक रहता है कि आप एलिमेंट्स ऑफ अ मैट्रिक्स को निकालो, या तो एक एलिमेंट या फिर मोर देन वन एलिमेंट्स ऑफ मैट्रिक्स निकालो, जो कि आज हमने किया। लेकिन एक और तरह का क्वेश्चन होता है जिसमें तुम्हें पूरा मैट्रिक्स ही निकालना पड़ता है, नॉट द एलिमेंट बट द एंटायर मैट्रिक्स। अब ये हम क्वेश्चन अगले क्लास में करेंगे। हाउ डू वी फाइंड आउट द एंटायर मैट्रिक्स in the equation given, and I'm writing that question so that we will be starting with that question and you get an idea. You write the question what we are going to start with in the next lecture. Matrix A is 2 minus 3. A matrix तुम्हें दिया हुआ है, B is 0 2, matrix B भी दिया हुआ है, and C भी तुम्हें दिया हुआ है, matrix C is minus 1 4. Now find the matrix X. हमें पूरा का पूरा एक मैट्रिक्स ही निकालना है, x is the matrix name in the following और इक्वेशन दिया हुआ है x plus b is equal to c minus a। देखो यहां पे भी एक मैट्रिक्स इक्वेशन है, x is a matrix, b is a matrix, c is a matrix and a is a matrix, and they have given an equation made out of these matrices. X plus b is c minus a. You have to find out this entire x. How do we solve it? And that we would be looking in the next class. Thank you all of you. God bless you. And if you support my effort, please press the like button and share this video, subscribe to the channel. Thank you all of you. God bless you. Take care.